Time to wrap it up. Focus. Cue sound going live in 5, 4, 3, 2.
BMW 7 Series Sedan stands for self-assured presence, exceptional performance and maximum comfort. Master every performance, enjoy every moment. As the BMW 750Li powered by a newly developed BMW twin-power turbo 8-cylinder petrol engine and with xDrive as standard, it is quite simply created for assuming the leading position. The emotive language of the elegant design together with that special atmosphere of well-being in the interior thanks to the supreme quality of details, individual styling, options and technical innovations make it the epitome of the BMW luxury class. Smoothness meets exclusivity. Luxury meets performance. BMW 750Li xDrive. Fuel consumption in a 100 km combined 10.2. CO2 emissions in gram per kilometer combined 233. Engine, transmission, and performance. Engines and transmissions are at the top of the short list of highlights here. Every single one, from the 740i's 320 HP turbocharged inline-6 to the M760i's insane 601 HP twin-turbo V12, is velvety smooth and feels more muscular than its official horsepower figures indicate. Even the 745e plug-in's combination of a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine and an electric motor is powerful and manages to drive with a natural feel that's absent from most hybrids. Every 7 Series shares some variation of the same slick shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive, xDrive and BMW marketing speak is optional on the 740i and standard on the rest of the lineup. No matter which of the car's drive modes you select, the suspension is pillowy soft and body control is in short supply. The 7 Series has adequate cornering grip, but the suspension's moves in general, and the light steering in particular, discourage their exploration. Safety and driver assistance features. Today's latest driver assistance features are available or standard on every 7 Series, from blind spot monitoring to semi-autonomous self-steering highway cruise control. Number 7 Series, however, has been crash tested by the 2 major safety outfits here in the US. As a result, we cannot comment on its crashworthiness. Key safety features include standard low-speed automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, available lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Traits of a grand character. The design of the BMW 7 Series sedan. At the center of attention, the BMW 7 Series sedan impresses from the very first moment with its exceptional presence. The self-assured character is primarily underlined by the distinctive front. In the side, the vertical air breather emphasizes the height of the vehicle. The interplay between the paint finish and Bernina gray with shimmering amber effect creates an elegance that, when combined with the 20 inches wheels, delivers a statement of commanding dynamics. A greeting from the welcome and goodbye light staging beckons before you even enter your BMW. The interior welcomes you with exclusive, high-quality materials mixed together with the innovative connectivity features produce a hitherto unachieved ambience, making the world your home. The connectivity features of the BMW 7 Series sedan arrive while on the move thanks to the innovative digital services of the BMW 7 Series sedan. With connected navigation, you have many options to make your journey even more comfortable and personalized. BMW Connected ensures a seamless connection between your smartphone and your vehicle, thus allowing you to plan and interact faster. At the same time, you communicate with your BMW quite naturally via your BMW Personal Assistant (INCL). Off-board speech processing, or you can operate various functions easily via BMW Connected app. BMW 7 Series sedan, a new form of mobility. A new way of being at home. Leading the way. Innovative technologies of the BMW 7 Series sedan. Be fully up to date while taking the first step. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant of the BMW 7 Series sedan makes it possible. Perhaps you need help, want to find a particular place, or read your email while traveling. With Hey BMW, you start a natural interaction. At the same time, the apps and services of your BMW always remain fully up to date thanks to the remote software upgrade. And with the pioneering driving assistance systems of the Driving Assistant Professional, such as the Steering and Lane Control Assistant, or the systems of the Parking Assistant Plus, such as the innovative Reversing Assistant, you are ready to take new paths at any time. Head of Performance. The BMW M760LiX DRIVE sedan. Our supreme aspiration to surpass our own benchmarks. And the all-new BMW M760LiX drive sedan with the mighty V12 engine is simply created to achieve this. In combination with the M Sport package as well as exclusive design elements in cerium gray, it demonstrates an independent design language that shifts the focus onto the passion for dynamics. At the very first glance, the impressive air inlet steer the viewer's gaze to the broad, powerful front apron. The result is an exceptional presence that continues along the exclusive light alloy wheels via the mirror caps in cerium gray and the V12 lettering on the C-pillar to the unique exhaust pipe finishers at the rear. More presence. More personality. The BMW Individual 7 Series sedan. Unique character is immediately apparent in the BMW Individual 7 Series sedan. You can recognize it instantly. The impress light alloy wheels in W-spoke bicolor fair gray styling and the fine paint finish in Aventurine red metallic lend additional elegance and underline the special presence of the vehicle at first glance. The initial impression becomes clearer on entry through the aluminum door sill finishers with illuminated BMW individual lettering and continues throughout the interior, from the exclusive BMW individual full leather upholstery via the roofliner options to the interior trim strips. An exceptional character for genuine personalities. The BMW 7 Series sedan in detail. Fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. BMW 750LiX drive sedan. Fuel consumption in L 100 km combined 10.2. CO2 emissions in gram per kilometer combined 233. BMW M760LiX drive sedan. Fuel consumption in L 100 km combined 13.0. CO2 emissions in gram per kilometer combined 297. BMW 745e sedan. Fuel consumption in L 100 km combined 2.4. CO2 emissions in gram per kilometer combined 56. The values of fuel consumptions, CO2 emissions and energy consumptions shown were determined according to the European Regulation EC 715/2007 in the version applicable at the time of type approval. The figures refer to a vehicle with basic configuration in Germany, and the range shown considers optional equipment and the different size of wheels and tires available on the selected model. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Engine, transmission, and performance. Engines and transmissions are at the top of the short list of highlights here. Every single one, from the 740i's 320 HP turbocharged inline-6 to the M760i's insane 601 HP twin-turbo V12, is velvety smooth and feels more muscular than its official horsepower figures indicate. Even the 745e plug-in's combination of a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine and an electric motor is powerful and manages to drive with a natural feel that's absent from most hybrids. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us for more interesting reviews by subscribing to our channel.